That's, of course, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. But today I want to talk about another bell tower that's in a strange position. A Caroline bell tower that's in the middle of a swamp. The Brunel Memorial Park opened in 1971 and is located outside of Oregon City in the swamp next to Lake Palourde. The Caroline Tower is 106 feet and contains 61 bronze bells that play every 15 minutes. The park was conceived by Mrs. Claire Horatio Brunel, and she wanted the swamp to create a peaceful space of serenity and beauty among the wild atmosphere of the Louisiana swamp. Now, I've been to this park several times over the years, and it's actually a really good place to take pictures of the swamp, at the same time keeping your feet dry.